is Sylvain, Senior Tech and Trainer over at Confection Evoca. Today, we're going to see how to properly maintain your machine. To do so, you'll need some tools, a pair of scissors, the door key to open up the machine, paintbrush, circular brushes, towels, and your products. Here are the cleaning procedures to perform on a daily basis. Open the brewer door, then remove the drip tray and the waste bin. To refill coffee ingredients, start by pushing the two green flaps to prevent the beans from falling. Lift the ground coffee canister shelf up, then turn it outward. Firmly press on the green lever and pull the canister out. Once you are sure that the flaps are fully pushed, remove the bean hopper. Clean the exterior of the bean hopper and the ground coffee canister. To fill the bean hopper, lift the covers and fill the section with espresso beans. Make sure to fill one section at a time to avoid cross-contamination. To fill the coffee canister, remove the cover and fill the canister with ground coffee. Once you're done, reinstall cover on the canister. Turn the soluble canister shelf outward and push white plastic nozzle of the canister up from bottom. Press on the green lever, then pull the canister outward. Note this soluble canister is optional and may not be present in your machine. Push the white plastic nozzles of the other three soluble canisters up from bottom. Using the handle, lift up and slide each canister out. You can then refill all soluble canisters and refilling them on the countertop to prevent any spill inside the machine. Remove the lid of one canister and fill it with the appropriate product. Clean the exterior of the canister with a cloth. Repeat those steps for each canister. On a daily basis, make sure to remove the waste bin, dump the content into a trash can. Clean the dirt train grill under hot water. You can use a soft soap and brush off any residues. Once the cleaning has been done, let the parts air dry. Cleaning the inside of the machine. You can use a paintbrush to remove the excess of beans, soluble product inside, and make sure that you wipe off any dust or products on the inside of the machine, going from top to bottom. Make sure the tap on top of each canister fits in its corresponding guide slot and that the coupling fits on the transmission of its corresponding soluble motor. Reinstall the filled soluble canisters into the machine. Push the plastic nozzles down. Reinstall the fourth canister on the shelf. Make sure to hear the green lever click. That confirms that the canister is properly secured. Flip the shelf back in place and push the plastic nozzle down. Put back the bean hopper on top of the machine. Reinstall the ground coffee canister on its shelf and rotate the nozzle. Flip the shelf back in place. Make sure the nozzle points towards the chute. Pull on the two green flaps to release the beads. Once the parts are dry, put the drip train grill back together and reinstall on the machine. Reinstall the waste bin and the drip tray inside the unit and close the door. Do not forget to reset the waste bin counter. Go on the service mode. Enter your password. Go to Daily Actions, Empty Solid Waste, and hit the Reset Solid Waste counter. Once you've reset it, go back and you're done. Once all the filling and cleaning of the inside of the machine has been done, tidy up the area surrounding the machine. Unscrew the knurl that fixed the cup holder and clean it with a wet wipe. Reinstall the cup holder. Now that we've filled or refilled the machine, cleaned the inside, all we need to do now is do a rinse. In order to do a rinse on your machine, make sure that you got 2 cups big enough to collect the water that's going to come out of your machine. Push and hold the Wittenborg logo. Enter your password. Daily action. Cleaning and rinsing. And do a complete rinse. Once that the rinse has been done, dump the bug into a sink. Do not drink the liquid. Exit service mode. You are now done with the daily cleaning actions to perform on your machine. Here are the cleaning procedures to perform on a weekly basis. Open the brewer door. Then remove the drip tray and the waste bin. Empty the waste bin into a trash can. And wash it using hot water, and if need be, you can use a soft soap. Use a soft brush to clean up any residues inside. Let the waste bin air dry. Pull the canister's elbow up and remove the canister from the machine. Note this soluble canister is optional and may not be present in your machine. Push the white plastic nozzles of the other 3 soluble canisters up from bottom. Using the handle, lift up and slide each canister out. Now you can remove the elbows of the canisters, one at a time. And you need to wash them under hot water. After the cleaning has been done, let the parts air dry. Before putting the elbows back on the soluble canisters. Repeat these steps for each canister. Reinstall the canister back in place and make sure it is seated properly. Then push the elbows down. Once the waste bin is dry, put it back inside the machine. Put back the waste bin in the drip tray. Do not forget to reset the waste bin counter. Go on the service mode. Enter your password. Go to Daily Actions. Empty solid waste. And hit the Reset Solid Waste counter. Once you've reset it, go back and you're done. On a weekly basis, inspect all the whipper bowls, canisters, and hoppers. If you find any obstructions, parts that might be broken, or not working properly, contact your service provider. Close the door of the brewer. You have now completed the weekly maintenance of your machine.